Hi guys, what is the vibe? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I wasn't able to look at the video for you guys last week because I was busy. A lot was going on. Life be being a lot. Now I'm back. I'm back for you guys. I'm back. It's been a lot. And last week was very slow. Nothing crazy happened last week. I was very busy last week, but at the same time, nothing crazy happened in the market. So I didn't miss out on a lot. I was very occupied, but I didn't miss out on a lot. I took CAD CHF. I took the buys. I was trying to take the counter trade buys, yes, but I ended up closing in drawdown. Little drawdown though, but at the same time, I closed in drawdown. If you want to understand how I took CAD CHF, watch the last video so you understand how I did take and I how you sorry, I didn't post last video. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter so that you would see how I did breakdown. I did drop the breakdown of CAD CHF there and some other pairs, but I ended up taking only CAD CHF. I did record the video for you guys last week, but I didn't have the time to post it because I was relatively busy and a lot was going on. So I already said that. So firstly, 90% of you guys watching us right now haven't subscribed to our channel, our YouTube channel. Like, why haven't you done that? Like, you have watched up to how many of our videos and you have not subscribed to this channel? You are wrong. You are wrong. Go and do so now. You have 2 seconds. You have 2 seconds to do that. But if you do actually subscribe, thank you so much. And it's actually go a very, very long way if you actually do so. So thank you so much. Like and subscribe now. 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 I really appreciate it if you do. Thank you. So this is going to be as quick as possible. As you've seen on our list, we have very few pairs we're going to break down. Last week I closed CAD CHF in drawdown of like 0.3% based on our rules. I closed CAD CHF in drawdown. But the trade I took the trade last week, I posted it on my Twitter. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter because I do post all these trades in real time, and when I do execute the trades, when I do close them, how I manage the whole thing, how the account is going, everything, the whole stress behind the whole thing, so I'm recording everything there. I'm documenting it here and there. So don't forget to follow me. That's how you can follow it up on both on like follow everything up. Even you can actually take the trades along with me if you feel like. So into the pairs we have right now. First pair is USD card. USD card is my first pair basically. Why? Because the weekly is bearish. See the lower high. I see the lower low. I'm not. This is not a high. This is not a structure point. This is lower high, lower low. So weekly is bearish. We're testing weekly area of interest right now. You also want to understand how I do markup structure. Watch the first video or watch first, second, and third videos. You will see where I did showed how to mark up structure, higher highs and higher lows and stuff. This video I'll try to make it as short as possible. For daily time frame for me is bearish because daily time frame shifted when we broke under this structure level. So daily time frame for me is still bearish, and we have come to this area of interest here. If you notice, if you know our friendly pattern, we have this left head potential right shoulder, right? Wow, this is a potential right shoulder we're looking for to catch the cells. And basically, we're going to trying to catch the cells. Might hold it to here, break, whatever. But it's when price does get there, we'll know what to do. But currently, right now, we're looking for cells on USD card. Coming out the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, we have 4 hour time frame is bearish too. So we have the weekly bearish, daily bearish, and the 4 hour is bearish. So because it's bearish because this was the previous, let me mark it up. This was the previous high, higher low, high. Price broke under, price has shifted. We're having the pullback. We're looking for entries right now to sell. Basically looking for entries to sell like this. Do we have around psychological? I think we have around psychological around here on 1.38500. So that's we're looking for sales on the USD card. The second pair is GBP AUD. GBP AUD. I'm basically looking for sales too. Looks very, very interesting. I was looking for buyers last week from a break of this level to retest and buy, but price never did that. Price continued selling. So currently right now we have our trusty pattern again. I keep saying I don't trade patterns, man. But at this point now it looks like I trade patterns. But I don't really know. It's just they just keeps popping up, and showing up. So these are another left here right shoulder on the on GBP on the daily time frame. We have this nice level of support and resistance. Resistance, support, resistance. We need price to have a pullback into this level. Going to retest the neckline of the left head right shoulder. Retest on psychological level 2.05 thousand, and then we would look for sell continuation. So that's basically our plan for GBP AUD. The third pair, we have only 4 pairs this week. That's very beautiful. Why I like it because it's less stressful. I don't need to be going through all these other pairs to check. I just need that. These are the four pairs that I'm very interested in, that I'm seeing very, very high probability setups and low risk. We can go high risk and the trades are high probability setups, right? So we have this set, we have NZDJPY. This DG4 currently is bearish on the daily time frame for me. It's currently bearish on the daily time frame. So I am currently waiting for a break under this nice little support and resistance. This same support and resistance from before that we marked up. I think on this, I think 3 videos ago, I guess so. I can't remember, but we are still very, very interested in NZDJPY. We just need a break under this zone, and a pullback. A break under this zone will give us 4 hour will go bearish. That means we would have the daily and the 4 hour bearish. But I think the weekly is still bullish. You have the 4 hour and the daily bearish, 2 time frames in sync, and then we would look into sell NZDJPY basically. Then the last pair, but not the least pair, as I told you, this video will not be long. Very, very beautiful. NZD weekly is well, it's technically bearish, I guess, but technically it's confusing a bit. But to me, it is bullish. The daily is bearish, and okay, the daily is bearish currently. This bearish, we are the price currently at this point. What I'm waiting, I need a break under this zone. Also, as it breaks under this zone, we have price breaking under the EMA, and we're looking for a pullback to sell. If you go to the 4 hour time frame, this is also the 4 hour structure point. 4 hour structure, and when price breaks, we now have the left head, potential right shoulder, blah blah blah. Just repetition of what we have. We just keep saying and all that. Just in a break on that retest, and we would look for sales basically. So if you want to see these trades in real time, I'll post. This is my Twitter handle. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, because I'm posting this when I do enter, when I do exit, how I do manage all these trades in real time during the week. Every trade is when I enter, when I close, I'm going to let you all know on there. So don't forget to follow me there, and I'll see you guys on Twitter. Yeah, I'll see you guys there. Or also on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe too, because that'll actually go a very long way for me. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out. Peace out, guys. Peace out.